Here we have number 4. We are supposed to be putting them in a if and then statement. If two lines are parallel when they have the same slope, they never intersect. So if two lines are parallel, then we can say they never intersect. We can say they never intersect. So let's put then. Let's just put the word they. Okay. They never intersect. Next one, vertical angles are congruent. So we would say if they are vertical angles, if they are vertical angles, then they are congruent. Next, two angles that add up to 180 are supplementary. We can say two angles add up. If two angles add up to 180, then we can just write they are supplementary. They are supplementary. There you go. That is how you put it in an if and then statement.